yourself for the apocalypse.
Okay guys, so there is a old remains of a castle over here, and we're gonna go walk down and check it out and see if we can get some good shots. All right guys, so as we're walking down this path here, you can see we got it straight ahead in front of us. I'm accompanied by these two today.
Hi. Can I go down there?
No.
No, that does not look
That
safe.
leads to someone's house.
And that looks no safe.
Okay, so right now we're on the other side of it. You can see we got a nice piece of the structure right here. Alright, so this is listed as the Erwin Castle ruins. You can find information about this online if you look it up. This is from Dr. Bernstein. It's a Gothic style castle, and it was built in the late 19th century. So what you see is all that remains of it. Alright guys, so that's going to wrap it up for touring this place. I'm not going all the way inside because of the fact that there are signs up, you know, saying caution and things like that around. They definitely are watching after this place and do not want anybody going in and getting hurt, for obvious reasons. This place is way beyond decayed and destroyed. You know, what once used to be an entire castle is now just the remaining walls. Also, just taking notice of some of the nice scenery. It's a lot of really nice stonework here on this wall. You also get a nice shot of down in the town from up here. Now there is a lot to explore in Jim Thorpe, as it is an old town, and there are plenty of things left to decay. If you guys haven't already seen my video on the Jim Thorpe jail where we went through the inside of it, be sure to check that out. I've also went and checked out the Jim Thorpe memorial site that is here as well, and there are plenty of cool videos that are going to be coming in the future from this area. As like I said, there is a ton of history. Alright guys, so here's one other thing that we'll be checking out in a later video. Of course, by later video means I need to actually come out and explore a little bit. But this is an old mansion. So this is where we're going to wrap it up, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this, and I will catch you guys in the next video.
The apocalypse.